Hello students, you are welcome back in this online teaching learning process. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the story, His First Flight. In previous video we have to discussed about the seagull and what problem he faced. Means he felt hot and he also starved, he starved, and no one will give the attention to him. But there is only his mother who is worried about seagull. And now continue it. Ga ga ga, he cried, begging her to bring him some food. Go, Kola, she screamed back derisively, but he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it. And ga ga ga, she cried, means he beckoning to his mother, please give me some food, please give me some food. But his mother gave answer to his beckoning and derisively. What is meant by derisively? Means in a manner showing someone that he is stupid. But he kept calling plaintively. What is meant by plaintively? Means expressing his sorrow. He making voice very pitiful, and he also request his mother, please mama, give me some food. And after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream. And why he become joyful? He saw his mother picked up a piece of fish and was flying across him, means towards him. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as he flew across. And at that time he becomes very happy and in delightful mood. That bird tapping on the rock means he jumping with joy, and he leaned means he tried to run towards his mother. And why he was doing so? Because he becomes very hungry, and he tried to went nearer and nearer to his mother. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer. And his mother coming towards him. But what happened? In a moment she becomes motionless, means she was not moving, and she stopped there. And at that time he astonished. He wonders why she halted there. Means त्याला असं वाटलं की माझी आई माझ्यासाठी माशाचे तुकडे घेऊन येत होती, पण ती का थांबली असं त्याला आश्चर्य वाटलेलं आहे. And then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish, and he becomes very hungry, and so he dived towards the mother for catch that fish. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into space. Then a monstrous terror seized him, and his heart stood still. And in the next moment, what happens? his mother vanished in the air. And at the same time, that poor seagull screamed loudly with fear. Means he becomes frightened and he outwards and downwards he fell into the space, and this time there is no support of ledge also. And then a monstrous terror, means a demon's terror, means a very shocking. He has shocked because he frightened too much. आणि त्याला असं वाटलं की आता माझं काही खरं नाही, आता मी काय होणार, पाण्यामध्ये पडणार आणि मी मरणार. आणि त्यामुळं त्याचं हृदय अगदीच एक क्षणापुरतं काय झालेलं बंद पडलेलं आहे. ही could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. The wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. But all that incident, how much time? It's only for few seconds. And then what happens? His wings spread in the air and all the air coming under his belly, and he tried to flap his wings and he also flying in the air. Then thunder his stomach and against his wings he could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. आणि पहा काय झालेलं आहे की त्याच्या पंखांचे काठ असं वाटत होते की आता हवा कापत पुढे जात आहेत आणि पूर्ण हवा त्याच्या पोटाखाली आणि पंखाखाली आलेली आहे आणि तो हवेमध्ये अलगदपणे काय करत आहे, सोअरिंग करत आहे. ही कॅन फ्लाय इन द एअर. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. And what happens? He becomes very happy, and at the time he soaring gradually and he downwards and upwards also. And there is no fear in his mind. He lost his fear and he tried to fly in the soar. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upward. Ga 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 Kola. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. And see, at this moment, the young seagull feels very happy. He becomes very delightful. But he is only dizzy. Means तो थोडासा अस्वस्थ झाल्यासारखं त्याला वाटत होतं. But now he is okay and very happily he is flying in the air and he making loud voice ga ga ga, and his mother also answered to his voice. She answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him screaming. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. And at the same time, his father, his two brothers and sister, all they came around him, and they also making a loud noise with joyful mood, because they become happy because that young seagull can fly, and they curveting and banking. What is meant by curveting? Means leaping like a horse, and banking means flying with one wing higher than other. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commanded himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. And that young seagull, he forgotten all his past. Means at a time, means once upon a time he was unable to fly, but now he command himself to dive and to soar, and he also jumping in the air, and he also shrieking shrilly, means making a loud voice, and he is soaring in the air. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little rays moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusingly. And what is meant by a ridge? Means a chain of hills. And he saw a sea, means a very expanse of sea. He also saw, but on his ledge. त्यानं अगोदर सुद्धा समुद्र पाहिलेला होता, परंतु कसा पाहिला होता? त्या कड्यावरती बसून. परंतु आता कसा पाहतोय तो? फेस टू फेस. आणि आता तो माउंटेन्सच्या म्हणजे चेन ऑफ हिल्स, तो टेकड्यांच्या रांगा पाहतोय, आणि त्याच वेळी तो अगदीच आनंदानं आपली मान आणि आपली चोच ह्या साईडला त्या साईडला ओळवत आहे, आणि तो आनंदानं आकाशातून भरारी घेत आहे. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him, and they were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. And at the same time, his whole family, his brothers, sister, and his father, mother, they all beckoning him. They calling him shrilly. And he dropped his leg to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. And what happens? All his family settling on the sea. And they floating. And he also thought that I am tired, and so I went to that sea and settled there. पण तुम्हाला माहित आहे पाण्यावरती बसता येतं का? नाही. कारण की पाण्यावरती जर बसायला गेलो तर काय होणार आहे? पाण्यामध्ये पाय अलगद बुडणारच आहेत. आणि मग अशीच गोष्ट या सीगलच्या बाबतीत सुद्धा घडलेली आहे. आणि when he dropped his legs to stand on a green sea, at that time his legs sank into the water, and at the time he also frightened, and he screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings, but he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise, exhausted by the strange exercise. And at the same time he screaming loudly, तो मोठ्याने ओरडत होता, वाचवा वाचवा, आता मी काय होईल? मी पाण्यामध्ये बुडेन आणि मी मरेन, अशी भीती त्याच्या मनामध्ये होती. आणि तो किंचाळत होता, मोठ्याने ओरडत होता, परंतु कोणीही त्याला वाचवायला आलेलं नव्हतं. आणि त्याच वेळेस काय झालेलं आहे की तो उडण्याची धडपड करत होता, flapping his wings, but he can't because he exhausted, he tired because of hunger, and his feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther. बघा, आणि काय झालेलं आहे? त्याचे जे पाय आहेत ते पाण्यामध्ये बुडालेले आहेत. आपण या you can see in this picture all his legs drowned in the water, and his belly also touched to the water. But तो आता तरी त्याचे पाय बुडालेले आहेत, पाणी त्याच्या पोटाला टच करत आहे, परंतु तो बुडाला आहे का पाण्यामध्ये? नाही. तो काय करत आहे बघा. He was floating on it. Means he was skimming, he was floating. म्हणजे तो पाण्यावरती काय करत आहे? अलगदपणे तरंगत आहे. And around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish, and he had made his first flight. And at the same time, all the family members, they came together. They came around him. They making a very loud voice. They delightful. They becomes delighted, and they also making loud sound with joy. And they also giving a scraps of dogfish to him. And they praising him, they patted him because he can win, and he learned swimming also. He learned flying in the air and swimming in the water, and in this way he made his first flight. We know that, students, this story, it is a story, first flight of self-reliant confidence and achievement. In this way, we know that all power is within us. We can do anything and everything, but we have to recognize our strength. We have to ignite it, and definitely we will get success in every aspect. In this way, we will see this lesson, first flight. Do you understand it? Yes. Thank you once again.